In what appears to be a looming reality over jail term for DCI boss George Kinoti, Justice Anthony Mrima has dismissed request by the AG and his lawyer Cecil Miller in the Jimmy Wanjigi vs. DCI court case. Jimmy Wanjigi wants the DCI to return guns that were confiscated from his home in Malindi. Justice Mrima had issued an arrest warrant against Kinoti for disobeying court orders issued on June 21st, 2019. And today, he sought to affirm his decision that the arrest was still in effect after the DCI Kinoti failed to introduce new evidence vindicating him. As part of the new evidence, Kinoti, through lawyer Cecil Miller, had asked the court to set aside the sentence on grounds that he was wrongly enjoined in the case as he was not in possession of the firearms in question. According to Kinoti, the firearms are in custody of Licensing Board, arguments that were similarly shared with the Attorney General in his appeal filed on the 24th of November this year. But Justice Mrima argues that no evidence was presented before the court to indicate that indeed the Licensing Board was in possession of the 7 firearms taken from Wanjigi home during the raid. Justice Mrima questions why no written communication was presented in court, as is the norm in government communications. The Attorney General claims that the contempt charges against Kinoti were misdirected because the Firearm Licensing Board is the custodian of firearms and thus Kinoti has no role in handling of civilian firearms. The Inspector General of Police is expected to execute the warrant, which lapses this Thursday, and the warrant shall remain valid and will be executed at any given time, including after Kinoti's exit from office. The 4-month sentence is expected to be undertaken at Committee Maximum Prison. Martin Opio, K24 TV.